Welcome to Armstrong Subaru's workshop, the largest new and used Subaru dealer in the South Island. Today we'll be running you through how to configure your keyless access and start settings, a great feature which allows you to access your Subaru with the touch of a hand. With your key in your possession when approaching the vehicle, simply touch either of the front door handles to unlock the vehicle. To lock your car, touch the two ridges on the door handle. When customizing your keyless access settings, select Settings on your infotainment screen. Then select the Vehicle tab and click the Keyless Entry System. This will give you the options of Security Relock Add and Hazard Warning Flasher. Adjust the settings to your need. If you'd like more of these quick and easy tips regarding your Subaru, hit the subscribe button below.